What happened to me? After me help on the crack the case, you wanna go? You send me back at the center, so?
Oh.
Yo!
Hey. Tonian,
Yeah, babe?
you know how long me I call you?
Sorry, babe. I just space out.
Alright. So babes, you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. We just did a think. Quick, now come back this evening.
I mean, the thing so, you know, quick love him yard and him thing there, so him there and dad watch over him, so I'm good.
Oh, that's nice.
Watch out. Look what me do. The menu. Watch out.
So, you set date on everything already?
Yeah, me say me I'm gonna do it the third because I tell the whole heap of people about it.
Shrimp, garlic, curry coconut, curry goat, pineapple pork. I want to try this. Chicken barbecue, jerky pineapple sauce. Oh, I love this.
Food you can try
And
everything.
the rice and peas, white rice festival. Bami. I love this beer.
And so we have something for the vegetarian there too.
Brown stew tofu.
Yeah.
Oh, what tofu again?
It's a plant-based food with taste like meat.
I love it, but you sure you gonna have time to do the whole of this?
Yeah, babe. I'm gonna run 20 at order already. And people are look to support it.
That's good. I'm gonna link my people them. I make them send in them order. Wait, what is on a weekend? You sure you're not gonna have work?
Well, I have that sort out. I link one of my bad chef friend them for run it off for me. So anytime I get certain contract, him just know say me gonna give him certain work so everybody good.
You have your whole thing planned out. I like that.
Thanks.
Bill,
Yeah.
the egg not there yet.
So you have to go grab that. But you sure you're alright? You seem out of it.
Babe, trust me. I'm alright. I just want them time there.
Your time? Alright. Now I'll go on the road, alright? Hope you feel better.
Alright, make sure you get the egg and we're gonna need some stuff.
Yeah man, I get everything. Me alright, at least on the way. Alright?
Yeah, him said if it take a couple of days. I may agree with him.
Yeah, maybe you need a couple days for real.
I shouldn't go on the apps in the present state of mind here.
So, what you plan for do today?
I just have to do what I normally do. When them emotions here hit me or when them things here happen to me. Just go do my hair, you know, do my nails. It usually make me feel better.
Why? I wish me could have go somewhere for go cool out too.
So him call it in for a report?
Yep. So we have to go deal with the fire.
Him go call Whisper too.
Bubbles, I really feel bad about Roberto. I don't know how I'm gonna deal with this.
T, you can handle this. The best part about it is that you get results. You catch 2 of them. I'm sorry what happened to Roberto, but guess what? I'm still alive.
We not even know him condition. Suppose him not pull through.
He might go pull through. When that happen, you go can talk to him. So for now, focus on the report where you go give me some Mullins. Because he might go drill you.
Man, no. You know what I do? I go on an agency hideout and prepare my mind for drilling. Me talk to you later, boys.
Alright, T. Me talk to you later.
Bad gal, you a bad gal. You a talk with a freaky thing, whoa. You a make it go and sticky like whoa. Me a bad man, gal, is you my routine, baby. You go crazy, I my baby. So baby, put it on me. So baby, put it on me. So for the party, baby, I just wanna take you out tonight, yeah. I don't wanna let her on my side, yeah. I just wanna keep you in my bed, my bed, yeah, hey, in my bed, in my bed, in my bed, in my bed.
Sister, but I see about it from all of the little agents I do them.
Yeah, we just need a little time for get my head together, you know?
You get the call from Mr. Mullins, right?
Yeah. Him call you too?
It's 3 o'clock.
Oh. My dad said try go over the report in my head, so I'm not have to miss nothing.
So, you not say nothing to you yet?
No, you know? Him gone completely silent.
That worry you?
I no must worry, Whisper. I don't know that youth are from nowhere and him call out my name and know him silent. Him plead the fifth.